Today's video will be a DIY, and I'm going to upcycle and reuse this vase that I picked up at Dollarama. It was glass, and I spray painted the inside white, and then I actually painted the outside in a silver gray and black with some acrylic paint. So I'm going to upcycle and reuse it by adding these foam balls. I was shopping on H&M Home and I saw this beautiful vase and I just want to recreate that look. So that's my inspirational piece. I will try to put a picture of that inspirational piece in that video. So for these, you can pick them up at any crafts area like Home Goods or wherever you purchase these, any Dollarama or dollar store, probably Amazon, Michael's. And I'm gonna use this X-Acto knife to cut them in half. I'm also going to be using my glue gun to adhere, and then I will paint it using this acrylic paint. I just want to refresh my coffee table, but I don't want to go out and spend money, so I just want to reuse and upcycle what I already have.